Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to place limit orders using the position tool on TradingView. All right, let's begin. First, open TradingView and select the asset you want to trade. If you're using a connected broker, make sure you choose the correct trading pair from that broker. If you're paper trading, simply select the asset you want to practice with. Next, open the drawing tools on the left side of the chart and select either the long position or short position tool, depending on the direction of your trade. Click anywhere on the chart to place the position tool. The center line represents your entry or limit price. Drag it to the exact price where you want your order to be executed. Then, adjust the stop loss and take profit levels by dragging their lines. TradingView will automatically calculate the risk to reward ratio based on your settings. Once you're satisfied with the setup, open the trading panel from the top and connect your broker, or use paper trading if you're practicing. You'll notice that the limit price, stop loss, and take profit from the position tool are already filled in. You can still edit these values before placing the order. After reviewing everything, confirm the order to submit your limit trade. So that's basically how you can place limit orders using the position tool on TradingView. That's it for this video. Thanks!